Okay, teacher. Good morning, teacher. So, how are you today, ka?
Good morning. I am okay.
Oh, you are okay.
Yes.
So, what is your nickname again, teacher? May I know your
Uh,
nickname?
my nickname is Teacher Nan.
Teacher Nan. Nice meeting you, teacher Nan.
Yes.
Okay, teacher. So, how is the weather there?
And then so today very hot.
Oh, very hot. Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So, what is your plan today, teacher? You.
Today I plan uh, get uh, homework.
Oh, homework of
Yes, for
students.
students.
Oh,
Yes.
you will go home visit, teacher?
Yes. Visit
Oh,
mhm,
oh, okay,
in the
teacher.
afternoon.
Okay, teacher. So, may I have 3 minutes or 5 minutes of your time, teacher? Okay.
Okay.
So, are you ready, teacher?
Yes.
Okay, teacher. So, um, where is your school, teacher? Your school,
What what or what or where
the location of your school, teacher?
Wangnamkhiao district.
Okay.
Kolasima province.
Okay, teacher.
Yes.
So we have different activities in our school, right? So can you give some activities that you celebrate in your school, teacher?
Okay. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
for example, different school activity is
Mm-hmm.
here. Uh,
Mm-hmm.
Teachers Day,
Okay.
number one. Number two, Mother Day.
Okay, teacher. Next.
Three, Student Day.
Uh-huh.
Four, Sports Day.
Okay, teacher. So which one do you like to celebrate? Which is your favorite activity, teacher?
Student Day.
Oh, Children's Day,
Yes.
okay. Okay, teacher. So, we have here the reading or additional readings, resources useful to teaching. Okay, so what are you using for your teaching, teacher?
Google Form.
Oh, Google
Using
Form.
student online
Okay,
page
teacher.
and YouTube,
Oh, YouTube.
Line, Facebook.
Okay, teacher.
Mhm.
So, how are you doing with your clips, teacher? Are you okay with
Now
your clips?
you clip
Your clips okay, my okay. Is it okay?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh, okay, teacher. So keep on doing it, teacher. Oh,
Mm-hmm.
okay. So I want I will ask the subjects that you are
Yes.
teaching. So what is the first subject that you are teaching, teacher?
Uh, First, mathematics.
Oh,
Yes.
mathematics. Do you love math, teacher?
Uh, Sometimes.
Sometimes, okay, teacher.
Yes.
So, can you give five vocabularies
Mm-hmm.
for your subject math?
Number one, fraction.
Mm-hmm.
Number two, addition.
Okay, teacher.
Number three, uh, mixed number.
Okay, teacher. And the last
Yes.
one?
Uh, Problem.
Oh, problem. So, what about your second subject, teacher?
And then next, science subject.
Uh-huh.
Five, vocabulary.
Okay, teacher. Oh, yes.
Yes.
Okay, teacher. Can you
Number
please?
one, relationship.
Uh-huh. Number two.
Number two, environment.
Okay. Number three.
Number three, genetic.
Genetic. Okay. Number four.
Number four, host.
Okay. Number five.
Number five, friction.
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
And then the third subject that you wrote, teacher. What is the third
uh,
subject?
English.
Okay, English. Do you love English, teacher? Teacher not.
Yes.
Okay, that's nice.
uh,
So can you
uh,
please give the five vocabularies?
yes. My topic this week transportation. No, number one,
Mm-hmm.
car.
Mm-hmm.
Number two, crew.
Mm-hmm.
Number three, van.
Okay, number four.
Number four, motorcycle.
Mm-hmm. Number five.
Number five, school bus.
School bus. Okay, teacher. So can you make use one word in a sentence? You can choose one.
One
One,
subject,
one word. Any teacher.
one word,
Uh-huh.
anything.
Yes,
Okay.
teacher. What do you
Uh,
like? A word.
okay. Uh, I
Mm-hmm.
go to school by car.
Okay, teacher. So nice one, teacher. So see you again on our next FaceTime. So take care of yourself, teacher, and see you.
Okay.
Okay, thank you,
Thank
ka.
you. Bye bye.
Bye bye, ka.
Yeah.
Ka.